YLD Innovate is an initiative we've run together with Stanford University, aiming at bringing the best of Stanford's knowledge into London to help tech leaders to get a better understanding of how their company can scale up and can continue to be the best in their class. And what people should really be excited about is how they can use all of this knowledge helped by Stanford University extensive research and being better at what they do.
So we have 4 topics we're covering today. The first one focused on how we judge talent. The second topic focuses on group decisions, where we're trying to make the most out of the collective wisdom we share as a group. And then third, we focus on coaching conversations, which is how to help people grow and develop in their current roles. And then finally, how to mediate conflict.
Frank, the speaker, was fantastic. Every section of what we did today was fascinating and really enjoyable. Because we're about to do a lot of hiring, the talk Frank gave about identifying talent, I'm going to definitely take that back because I think that's really going to help us find some amazing talent out in the market this year.
Frank is a fantastic professor. The way he delivers his course is really, really good. We sat in groups. We do a lot of role-playing. There's a lot of practical stuff.
I always like taking research and putting it into practice. So I did also like the sessions on mediation and coaching. It kind of builds a framework that you can build upon.
I think having my perceptions busted about areas that I thought I was very good at, and I now have some really strong pointers about things that I can go and investigate, like coactive coaching, and it's always really awesome because there's so much growth to be had, and it was really eye-opening.
I think it was important to me to take some time to have networking with colleagues and a learning environment to listen to some really great topics.
There was a lot of exercises that I liked and some that I would like to reproduce with my team. So I am coming out with some actionable elements.
Group decision-making exercise, I think that is a really important thing that we need to get much better at where I work. And just being able to use sort of maths around it as well to see how the difference between your individual decisions and a group decision. So you can sort of think, oh yeah, that's why we do it together.
It's important for YLD to host events like this so that we are able to share with others all of the extensive knowledge that we have accumulated via engagements that we've done and relationships that we developed in the world. It's really within our values to be able to help others and to share our knowledge with the world.